In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge indicators in Tradingview, a very handy tool that can help streamline your analysis and create more cohesive insights. If you're someone who's looking to get the most out of your charting experience, understanding how to effectively merge indicators is a must. So, let's dive in and walk through the process together. To begin with, open Tradingview and pull up the chart where you want to apply this technique. Once you have your chart ready and are thinking about which indicators you want to work with, start by deciding which indicator will act as your base. The base indicator is the one that will serve as the foundation into which another indicator's data will be inputted. It's important to ensure that this is the one you want at the core of your analysis. Next, to use one indicator as the input for another, take a look at the indicator you wish to use as your base and locate the More button situated right next to it. It's easy to spot, though sometimes it can be hidden if your screen is too zoomed out. Clicking this button will open up a menu that offers several actions you can perform. Here, you're going to select the option that says Add Indicator Strategy On. This command allows you to choose another indicator that you wish to overlay on the base indicator. When you do this, Tradingview will integrate the two indicators, allowing you to see combined insights on your chart. An alternative way to accomplish this is by directly interacting with the indicator plot on your chart. Simply right-click directly on the indicator itself. When you do this, a menu will appear, listing an array of options. Just like before, you'll want to select Add Indicator Strategy On from this list. Again, you can then proceed to choose your second indicator, and Tradingview will overlay it on the base one, giving you that seamless integration you're looking to achieve. One important note to keep in mind is that only one indicator can serve as your input source in this method. This means that while you can merge two indicators, stacking more can be a bit complex and might require different approaches. Moreover, not every indicator supports being used as an input for another. If you find that the option isn't available, it might be that the indicator you're trying to use simply doesn't support this feature. Hopefully, this walkthrough helped clarify the process, making it easier and more intuitive for you to merge indicators in Tradingview. Play around with different combinations to find the ones that yield the best insights for your trading strategy. Happy charting, and see you in the next video.